When I saw Rainbow Brite was having a comeback from the 80s, I ran my fingers right over and bought her so quick. I am excited to introduce you to Moonglow. Isn't she adorable? Let's start with this amazing box. What in the Punky Brewster is this? Are you kidding me? This beautiful, bright, colorful box that she came in. Now they didn't have actual Rainbow Brite. They were out. That's okay because we love Moonglow. I also need to get the little Rainbow Brite sidekick little doll thing. That's okay, we'll get it all. Let me show you all the little features of her. First of all, she is very, very soft. Her hair is this bright pink. It's very fine, thin yarn. Her bangs are just adorable. In the back is a long ponytail. And look, it's cut in such a way as to make it look like she's got layers and this really pretty bow. Everything about her hair is amazing. Let me show you her outfit here. It's a little apron dress type thing. It's 2 layers. This is a really thick, double layered chiffon type material. This is more of a silky material, the blue. And then this trim is also rather silky and matches her hair perfectly. I mean, come on. Oh, and the bow, it looks like underneath the apron is light blue, but of course it's really dark blue. And it matches the bow perfectly. And her eyes, it all matches her beautiful eyes. These little adorable hands are soft, and yet here in the fingertip portion, it's thick, so it's not quite as soft there. Very adorable hands. And then her feet are all the way soft. And this is kind of a silky material with the little lace. This is, it looks like it's painted on. It does not unbutton. And then you can kind of stick your fingers in the socks, but they don't come all the way off. I think her dress will come all the way off. I'm not going to take it all the way off, but it looks like it will. So if they have some accessories, we can get her a new dress. And look at this luminescent moon. It's literally just perfect. If you don't have this yet and you grew up in the 80s, what year were you born? Tell me what year you were born. You are going to run and get this. And no, I don't have anybody old enough to play with dolls anymore. That did not stop me from buying this, and it should not stop you either. This is our lives. We lived through the 80s, and now we get to have the dolls that maybe we didn't get when we were kids. That's what happens to us when we grow up. We get to buy the things we like. And nobody's gonna shame us. No one's gonna shame you, so go get your doll. And of course, if you have a daughter, you can pretend like it's for her. I'll have this linked for you below. They are going like hotcakes. The day I bought her, it was literally sold out like an hour later, and this was the only thing left. There was no Rainbow Brite left. I wouldn't hesitate. If it's in stock and you want one, buy it. Do not hesitate on these. They were selling like hotcakes. So I'll have this link below, and while you're heading on over to Amazon to buy it, don't forget to subscribe. See you real soon.